The SpillX locomotive fueling system provides a new level of safety and reliability at unprecedented flow rates without spills. The SpillX components directly replace the existing fuel connections and require no modifications to the locomotive, fuel crane, or fueling trucks. The SpillX receiver and jet level can be installed in less than 15 minutes per fuel port. The nozzle is also installed in minutes with no special tools. This fuel supply demonstration trailer was designed to highlight the flow capability of the SpillX system and the inherent safety associated with the use of the system. The SpillX receiver installs in the locomotive fill tube and allows fuel to flow into the tank through an aviation industry proven dry brake connection. This animation illustrates how the SpillX system operates. Once the nozzle is connected and opened, fuel begins to flow. As fuel is flowing through the receiver, a small portion is diverted to the jet feed line. This line is attached to the jet level sensor, and during fueling, this pressurized stream projects across an opening in the housing and then upwards to open a control valve. A second fuel stream is diverted through a piston in the lower housing of the receiver. This passes through the piston and connects to the pilot control line on the jet level. Once the jet feed line opens the control valve, fuel flows through the valve and into the tank. As the tank level rises, it causes the jet stream to divert, and the loss of pressure causes the control valve to close. Once closed, fuel begins to build behind the piston, driving it upward and stopping the flow of fuel into the tank, even with the nozzle open and pumps running. The nozzle can then be closed and disconnected from the locomotive. The SpillX fuel nozzle weighs roughly half of the currently used nozzle and mates to the receiver. The nozzle cannot be opened until properly connected to the locomotive. Once the valve has been opened, the nozzle cannot be disconnected until the valve has been closed. The SpillX fueling system provides very low flow restriction and reliably accommodates flow up to rates of 600 gallons per minute. That means that this 5,000-gallon tank can be filled in a little over 8 minutes. The nozzle and receiver do not introduce any air into the system, so there is no fuel foaming even at very high fueling rates. When the tank is full, fuel shutoff occurs slowly and smoothly over a few seconds with no hammering effect. These dry brake connections form a closed system and ensure that the fuel is sealed at all times. At disconnect, the dry brake connections ensure that no more than 1 cc of fuel remains in the receiver. In addition, the SpillX system helps reduce the risk of fuel theft. The spring-loaded poppet on the dry brake connection provides a positive seal for the fill tube. The design of the receiver body blocks the ability to place anything into the tank.